most recent team to show their affection for the model is the Better Gift Shop crew in Toronto, who shared a joint pair on social media. Although the sneaker's initial Instagram photo didn't reveal all the specifics, it included a gray and blue color scheme throughout its futuristic design. The figure is wearing the unannounced collaboration, and the Air Max project was unveiled alongside an anthropomorphic representation of the store's actual retail location at 558 Dundas Street West underfoot. Visible air units luxuriate in a semi-translucent blue that also animates the Better TM label on the tongue, lace loops, and aglets. The majority of the gaps in the top of the Air Max Dn8 have white dashes, while reflective accents are found throughout the profiles. The design decision may have been influenced by Canada's frigid temperature, but the trainer's backstory has not yet been revealed. In-store and online sales of the Better Gift Shop X Air Max Dn8 collection begin on Friday, June 13.